Okay, now I'm going to put the LCAs to my subframe. So firstly, you need to push the subframe part, subframe first, and then you are going to put another side of knuckle. So when you going to make it get into the knuckle to fit in, you need to use a mallet to get it come into the knuckle seat. So we just hit it with the mallet so it will not dent our LCAs. Then just hit okay, it look like it's still not centered. You need a screwdriver to make the start hole center. So almost there, you almost get the hole. Okay, now it already centered. You can put the start into the LCA hole. Okay. Right now we put a little grease to make it easier for the thread to get in. So we need to hammer it down slowly. So already getting. So we need to find a ratchet to make it get it easier. So now everything's done. The LCA is already replaced, and then I'm going to show how to take out another side of my EF. So stay tuned.